What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Marcos, and today we have a new device. It's called the Coolpad Legacy Brisa, and we're gonna unbox this bad boy. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and like this video so that more people watch this video and get suggested this video. So let's get started. All right, guys. So here we have the front of the box of this new device. It's called the Coolpad Brisa Legacy Brisa. Looks like a high-end device. I mean, it does have a 6.53-inch touchscreen display. Says that it has talk time up to 21.8 hours, 32 gigs of memory, and 3 gigs of RAM. Not much going on in the box, pretty much just a typical box. It is a expanded data network device, so like this model comes preloaded with like the new T-Mobile Sprint network that they're working on. So it's a new device and it runs on the new T-Mobile network pretty much in simple terms. So let's unbox this bad boy. All right, so it does have this shell, and then it has this inner box, Coolpad Legacy Brisa. In the back we do see what's included. So Type-C charger, travel adapter, tells us a little bit more about the specs and stuff like that. So battery's a 4,000 milliamp battery. Cameras, dual rear facing cameras and front facing camera. And then yeah, nice device. Let's unbox it. As promised, we do have a Type-C charger as I said in the box. Here's the phone itself. It looks like a really nice phone. Let's turn it on. All right. So 6.53-inch display, teardrop 16 megapixel front facing camera. On the right side, you have the volume rockers, power button right here. On the left side, you have the SIM card slot and SD card slot in there. So if you wanted to put a memory card, you would open that slot, poke it. Inside the box, there's a little adapter where you can poke it with. Looks like a needle. On the top, looks like we have a headphone jack, possibly mic holes on the top for the speakerphone, Type-C charger hole, and speakers and mic at the bottom. So very nice device. The back of the phone, we do have two cameras. I believe one of them is a 16 megapixel camera. Let me verify. So one of them is a 16 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel camera. So two cameras in the back. We do have the flash. We also have the fingerprint sensor and the Coolpad logo or Coolpad icon on there.
Before activation, you can turn on.
All right, so here we have the phone on. This phone does run Android 10. Has a very nice display. The colors are really nice and vivid. So Android 10, it doesn't look like it has gestures. Very clean, not many bloatware apps, a couple Boost Mobile apps and stuff like that, but nothing crazy. So yeah, super clean. Like I said, Android 10. So the phone does come with 32 gigs of memory. Right off the box, you do get about the software does use about 13, so the remaining is for for your apps and everything else. The phone inside does have a 4,000 milliamp battery. According to Coolpad, it could last up to 21 hours, which is really good. And yep, very clean phone. Overall, I do like the feel of the phone. It has like this hard plastic all around. It makes it feel, it gives it a nice weight. It makes it feel like very durable, very high end, and it doesn't feel cheapy. So it feels like a really nice device. One of the tests that I like to do is I like to show you like a 4K video from YouTube, so we can test the sound and we can test the colors and stuff like that. So here's the device itself. Fits really well in two hands by holding it. Now with Android 10, you can pinch the zoom and use the whole video, which is really nice. So it looks really good. I'm very impressed by this Coolpad. I mean, it looks like a high-end device. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels very well made. Colors are good. Sounds really good. Very detailed, good colors. Let's test some music. Check out the colors. Let me test some music just to see the sound and stuff like that. Let's find some YouTube friendly music. Let's see what. Music sounds really good.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
Speakers are down here.
All around this empty town, we're searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. The sun, 'cause the flames won't burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world.
So sound is really good. Sounds very nice. So that's our test for the video and sound. So very nice display, very good sound, very good speakers. All right, so now for our camera test. So really nice device. I mean, it has a lot of zoom, so we can actually see that car that's pretty far out there. It does have slow-mo feature, so you know, if you want to catch some action shots, video, portrait, night shots, so probably a better picture for the nights. Panorama pictures, where you can actually take picture of the whole room. And then also you have professional pictures, so I guess you can edit a little bit more. So very nice camera. Let me see if we can take a picture of something else. Very nice. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. It's a very nice zoom. So two back cameras, a 16 megapixel and a 5 megapixel. And then the front facing camera is a 16 megapixel camera. Very nice pictures. So front facing camera is really good too. So super clear. I took this picture doing the rock eyebrow. So very nice. All right, so we did download Free Fire. It's like almost a Call of Duty or like a Fortnite Battle Royale. Just to test the graphics. It looks pretty good. Sounds really good. Alright, so we got killed instantly. The gameplay's pretty good. I think you just got used to it. So, other than that, I mean, it has a nice display. I mean, very nice colors. Very nice colors, very good gameplay. I think the processor is good enough for it, for games and stuff like that. So, nice entry-level phone. Pretty high-end phone for Coolpad. But it looks like it should handle games like this. So other than that, I mean, it looks like a solid device. Loaded the game fast. I was able to play, so not bad. Another cool feature about this phone, it does come with face unlock, so we're gonna try and set it up. You would go to your settings, and then you would go to security, face unlock, enroll face, and they'll ask you for a backup password or pattern or a pin. So I'm gonna set that up right now, just in case my face doesn't work or somebody else needs to get into my phone. I can give them the info. You can show what kind of info shows on the lock screen, pretty much, if you want notifications to come up on the lock screen or not. And then start enrolling. So let's enroll my face here. Let's set it up. Let me move around. All right, so my face is enrolled, and I should be able to unlock my phone with my face. So let's see. So if I were to come to it, it unlocks. So it's very fast because like on the iPhone, you still have to swipe up. With this one, you just press the button and I'm standing in front of it, so it unlocks it by itself. You don't have to swipe up or anything, so that's very convenient. If my face wasn't in front of it, I would have to put in my PIN. So let me unlock it, and it's asking for my PIN, so then I will put my PIN in there. Beautiful. But other than that, it works really good, very fast. It reads it and it unlocks it. No swipe up or anything like that. Now I'm gonna try and set up the fingerprint as well. So similar to the face unlock, pretty much you would go to settings, and then you would scroll down to security, and then it says right here fingerprint unlock. It's gonna ask me for my PIN to verify it to me, and then next, and then now I have to put my finger in the back and lift it a couple times as it kind of records it. So I'm lifting and it's recording my finger, and then done. So you can have multiple fingers. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my finger and I'm gonna put it in the back, and it unlocks it. So so let me put the wrong finger. So I use this finger, but I'm gonna use this finger now. It doesn't unlock it, but if I do this one, it unlocks it. So very cool, very smooth. Let's try it one more time. So you just have to tap it lightly and it unlocks it. So finish up the phone, the review. This device is launching with Boost Mobile. It just launched. It's $159 retail price, and if you get a new account, it's $79.99. And if you're a switcher from a competitor, you can actually get it for free. So very nice price device, and not bad. $159 for this phone. I think it's a good entry-level phone. It kind of reminds me of the Rebel 4 Plus. Very nice build, nice cameras, overall solid device. So there it is. Quick unboxing of the Coolpad Legacy Brisa. My name is Marcos, and just as a reminder, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's my channel. We're 800 strong. We do unboxings of certain devices that I buy or sell. So we have tons of videos and stuff like that. So this really helps out the channel when you subscribe and like the videos, or write a comment. Thanks for watching. My name is Marcos. Have a good one.